This is a diphthong, a double vowel sound. The shape the mouth makes changes from the beginning of the sound to the end. It's pronounced ow. Now, did you notice the shape of my mouth? Ow. Now you try. Watch, listen, and repeat. Ow. Ow. Now here are some words that have the ow sound. Mouth. Now. Foul. Now you try. Listen and repeat. Mouth. Now. Foul. Good. Now, speakers of some languages may find it difficult to tell the difference between the diphthong ow and another diphthong o. Listen carefully to hear the difference. For each example, I shall say the word with the diphthong ow first. Couch, coach, clown, clone, loud, load, found, phoned. Now you try. Listen and repeat after me. Couch, coach, clown, clone, loud, load, found, phoned. Good. This is a diphthong, a double vowel sound. The shape my mouth makes changes from the beginning of the sound to the end. To show you this one, I need an assistant.
Ow!
Good.